Hello, yeah, I appreciate you checking out my video. This is a video on how to install. This thing had just a small leak, make you mad. Really cheap fix. Just I'm replacing this part right here. $2. That will stop my leak. But in a good part, that a lot of time this could be your problem if your truck is not heating up or something like that. You just may need a new one. I've already come in and ground all this off and got it down. Now what you want to do, you don't want to install it this way. You want to install it face down like that. Now on the top, you take this, and to check its flatness, I took a file to it and ground it off, and it's pretty liberal in here, so I'm going to hit that with some gasket sealer. Now this gasket, you see them, you can't get them with one side that's already has adhesive on it. This does not have adhesive on it, so basically I'm just going to flop her down there like that, line up my holes best that I can, and now I'm going to take a gasket sealer and put a lot of goop around. This is waterproof. Basically just putting it around the other part. That way I'll have a full seal. One area I didn't really like on it, so this is what I'm doing. Very carefully, that way I don't get junk everywhere. Alright, and I just have a bond going around it. Very carefully hit these spots. I didn't like it right over in this area. So, bring this down. Okay, now the fun part is installing this thing. Very carefully, I am going to take 1 volt, come in here, get that 1 volt started, grab my other bolt, drop her down on it, get my other bolt started. We hope. Come on. Come on. It's not cooperating. Oh, we know this one started. Alrighty then. I'll get that stuff off my finger. Now basically you just gotta work this until it starts. And any mechanic can work, of course. In Houston, we have a problem. This was adjustable, so I had to slide it back. We don't knock the camera over. That part was adjustable. Hopefully I didn't get this on my nose. I don't know yet. So, a little black goop stuff. I did put the thermostat back in there. Yes, that's good. That's a good thing. Basically bring these down. Finger tight them. I'm curious, did I install the thermostat? I do believe I did. Alright. Righty toddy, lefty loosey. Learn something new every day, huh? And all I'm doing is just snugging these down until that little goop comes out of there. I got her on the fingers again. barely. I want to call that good on that part. That's it. You know, that's that simple to pop that. Got to remember all your air hoses and stuff like that. Let me see what else. Got this doohickey. And where did it go? Yeah, big one. I'm going to leave that off for now, I think. Okay, pop this in. Bring this over. Vacuum line. Of course, that thing's gonna get in the way. Well, we about got her rope now. I have this one way adjusted out. Of course, all I'm doing is lining this up with the other where it kind of come off at. We're almost done. A little bit more. Again, just kind of finger tied it. Alright. This is kind of a weird apparatus. This is my return spring on my carburetor. All I'm doing is hooking it and make sure that it's hooked. It's that easy to replace your thermostat. And while you're in here, you know, go ahead and check other hoses and stuff like that. And this project is over. Hopefully I don't have no more leaks. That would be nice. Appreciate you watching the video.